Donald Trump, a man known in the whole world, not only for being the 45th president of the United States, but also for being a successful businessman who squanders his luxury goods. The famous phrase that Donald Trump used for most of his presidential campaign was, "I'm really rich." So in today's video, you get to know the luxurious life of Donald Trump. Custom gold motorbike. There is no registration on the price of this motorbike, but Orange County jobbers built Trump a custom-made motorcycle with a significant amount of 44-karat gold detailing. Constructed of elite custom parts, the lavishness absolutely screams Donald Trump. Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. This car, model of the year 2003, is really beautiful and fast, one of the president's favorites. It cost $445,000. Especially in this car, he preferred to request the service of his driver while he was still president. Mercedes is a real pleasure for this business genius. Rolls-Royce Phantom. The first Rolls-Royce of Trump was a 1956 Silver Cloud model, and it is one of the oldest in his personal collection, but he also has a Phantom model that is worth $500,000. This same car, at some point, it was recognized as the best car in the world, since it was designed to meet the controversial entrepreneur, and in addition, the car is full of gold inside. Helicopter Sikorsky S-76. This is no ordinary helicopter. It cost him $7 million, and as soon as he purchased it, it underwent a renovation on the interior, for which he had to pay $750,000. Trump changed the whole interior to metallic pieces dipped in 24-karat gold. The family crests are embossed everywhere. Is engraved in gold on the tables and walls, and the seats are a style of the true luxury and comfort. Boeing 757. At some point, Trump's Boeing 757 was a commercial passenger plane, but since the Boeing belongs to Trump, he made several changes. All seats have been removed and replaced with comfortable and very luxurious seats, such as gold-plated seat belts. It has an office and several rooms, including a main one with a 24-karat gold-plated wash basin. But that is not all. The business tycoon commanded to replace the aircraft's original engines with those built by the company Rolls-Royce. Yes, the same as his super luxury car. It has a value of $35 million, and many say it embarrasses the presidential plane. Wow, this is a lot of ostentation. While I don't have the money to buy a chapstick in Arizona, there are people who can buy the world. The Mar-a-Lago estate. This beautiful mansion was built in 1920s and purchased in 1985 in the city of Palm Beach, Florida. The land is 10,219 square meters and houses a hotel and a club in one section, while the other section is a separate house for the Trump family. The ex-president paid $7 million. However, this has increased since it now has 58 rooms, 33 bathrooms, and 3 bomb shelters. It also has a tennis court, swimming pool, and a majestic ballroom that are now worth $160 million. The club members must pay $100,000 for registration and $14,000 each year to renew their license. Before becoming a private club, the magnate lived in this place for 10 years. Golf courses. It is not a secret about this great love that this man feels for golf. In fact, he likes this so much that he has 17 fields and adds up to a value of $300 million. There are 3 in New York City, 3 in Florida, 2 in New Jersey, 1 in California, 1 in North Carolina, 1 in Philadelphia, and 1 in Washington. But wait, these are only in America territory. Trump also has 2 golf courses in Scotland, 2 in Dubai, and 1 in Ireland. Is this good for you, or do you want more? Trump Tower. The imposing 58-story building is located on the 5th Avenue in Manhattan in New York City and serves as the main hub for his business as well as his home. This building is the pride and joy of Donald Trump. He lives in the penthouse, which has a gold and diamond door, indoor fountain, and painted ceiling, all very baroque. Even the soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo purchased a loft of 233 meters square for $18.5 million. According to Forbes, the building has a value of $353 million. Inside the building, we can find some stores of the most recognized and exclusive, a large number of luxury apartments, and some offices of the most important companies. Not to mention that this place is also famous because of the reality show El Aprendiz, which was recorded here where Trump himself appears. It was also the construction of Bruce Wayne in the last Batman movie, The Dark Knight, just like the Wolf of Wall Street.
Oh, wow. Did you know that this was the luxurious life of the ex-president of the United States, Donald Trump? If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, to subscribe to the channel, and also to activate the notifications so you can keep having informative videos like this. Thank you so much for watching,